Hello and welcome to the April Best $800 Gaming PC Build of the Month. My name is Corey with NewbComputerBuild.com. I feel like the $800 PC build gets such little love. Not little love. There's a lot of people that are interested in the $800 build and have an $800 budget, but typically people, aim for $1,000 or $500 or, and don't kind of think about the in between when looking for a PC. However, I would think that this is kind of the every person's sort of gaming PC build because it really fulfills the needs of most gamers out there in terms of what they are going to expect in terms of PC performance. And that is playing games at standard HD resolutions at high settings. And, that'll fulfill a lot of standard gamers' needs. And that's what this build really, really promises. So let's jump into it. If you've been keeping up to date with these builds every single month, not much has changed with the $800 build. I think the cost actually came down a little bit, so that's always good. So if you've been planning this particular build, now would be a good time to jump on it, I would say. But let's jump into it. So if you have any questions, do feel free to leave a comment as well. Visit the site newbcomputerbuild.com and more than willing to answer your questions there as well. And there's upgrade suggestions for this build and other builds and other budgets as well. So if you are considering this build or have or just exploring what are the possibilities, that's an option. But let's jump into it. The $800 gaming PC build for April 2023. The CPU we have this month is the Intel Core i3 12100F CPU at $106.92. So this is the same CPU as last month, and it's a great gaming CPU. You could also consider the alternative if that one, let's say this one wasn't in stock, the Intel i3 12100. That's the non-F, but it depends on the stock and the price. I just get whichever one's cheaper, essentially. Included is the stock cooler that comes with the Intel processor. Here is the Intel Laminar cooler, which is included, so no cost there. Motherboard we have is the Asus Prime B660M micro ATX motherboard at $124.99. The graphics card this month is the PowerColor Radeon RX 6650 XT at $299.99. This GPU is really what promises your performance on this build, which is fantastic, very high 1080p FPS gameplay sort of thing. It's often faster than cards like the RTX 3060. It's very efficient. So a very overall like a very good fit for this kind of budget. And it is below cost now. So also a very good value. Moving on, for memory, we have a Corsair Vengeance LPX kit, 16 gigabyte kit of memory, 2 8GB 6 of 3600 megahertz memory at $48.99. Storage we have is a Crucial P3 500 gigabyte NVMe SSD for $35.99. Power supply for this one is the Pevia 600 watt Prestige power supply at $51.99. And then the case for this one is the Zalman S2, which is just a fantastic kind of minimalist all over budget kind of case, PC case that kind of includes most of anyone would need at $64.99. Like I said, cost went down just a teensy bit for April 2023. So the $800 build comes in at $749 at the moment, which is just superb. All right, that does it for the $800 gaming PC build of the month for April 2023. Again, like I said, if you're planning your build, have any questions, do visit the site. You can leave a comment, whatever it is, and I'll get back at you. And if you're, hunting around for certain games that you want to play with your PC, do look up benchmarks with the CPU, GPU combo, and then that will give you a little bit of a better idea of what to expect when putting your PC together if you have specific games or whatever tasks in mind that you want to use your PC for. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, and best of luck building your next gaming PC build. Thank you.